I'm Danielle. I'm one of your Flik dietitians. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making mushroom matar, which is an Indian mushroom and green pea curry. As you can see, I do have all of my ingredients laid out and ready to go. I just need to prep a few ingredients. We'll dice the onion, clean and trim the mushrooms, chop our cilantro, and after that's done, we're pretty much going to throw everything into a pot and we will get it cooking. Now that I've got everything prepped, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my spices, my ginger and onion all into a stock pot, and we're gonna put that on the stove to simmer. So I've got my onions and spices, garlic and ginger on the stove. I'm gonna saute for about 4 minutes, and then I will add the crushed tomatoes and saute again another 4 or 5 minutes just until it's thickened up a little bit. All right, so now I'm going to add the mushrooms. Just a quick note about mushrooms. They are very high in water content. So once you add these and they start to cook, there's going to be a lot of moisture in here. You're going to want to keep cooking until it thickens back up again. So as you can see, I way underestimated how big of a pot I would need. So I went ahead and transferred everything into something larger. Although now that my mushrooms are cooked down, it's taken about 20 minutes, but they're cooked down, there's no liquid in here. They definitely would fit in a much smaller pot, but that's how it goes. So I'll go ahead and add my peas, whipping cream, salt, and then I'll let it simmer for about 15 minutes and we'll have lunch. So I went ahead and put this in our serving platter, garnished it with cilantro, and now our mushroom matar is ready to serve. So thanks for tuning in today. For more recipes and wellness tips, check out Flik Hospitality on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.